We're located in Christchurch, Timaru and Cromwell, so covering essentially from Kaikoura South in the South Island. We're about 56 people across those 3 locations, so a small to medium business, list and produce across the 3 locations about 800 pre-hung doors a week. So we attended a Smart Factory Showcase, fantastic, sort of invigorated us from a learning perspective and wanting to jump on board the journey of progression and continuous improvement. So post that we applied for a SIRI assessment of our own, which we're lucky enough to be granted. We wanted to get a baseline of where we're at and we wanted to get a roadmap of how we could progress.
The Smart Factory assessment was very informative. What I found was I was actually quite surprised at how far things had come in the last probably 10 to 15 years in the industry. I've been in the industry for about 30 years, so I found it very informative, the options that were given as far as technology going forward and innovation.
3 key things we've changed post the assessment have been how we communicate across the business, working on our system integration and getting a roadmap to automation.
I think it's the way forward, and even just the small changes we've made initially, we can see the massive difference it's making and that it's going to make. So for me, it's a no-brainer. I mean, technology is the way forward.
I 100% recommend any manufacturer going through the SIRI assessment, and I'm a 100% advocate of the program. Be vulnerable, you get yourself a baseline and you get yourself a roadmap to improvement.